Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello friends and mom. My name is Shalsabila Maulida. I'm from class Biology Education A. Okay, in this video, I will explain the main idea of a book. Here, I read a book about ecosystem, and also I will explain why I choose this textbook about ecosystem. Okay. Ecosystem is an ecological system formed by an in- inseparable reciprocal system between living things and the environment. An ecosystem can be created if the two components that make it up are fulfilled. Well, the components of the ecosystem consist of abiotic and biotic components. Biotic components are components of the environment consisting of living things, usually called living components. This component is divided into two types, namely consumer or so-called heterotrophs and decomposer or decomposer. Heterotrophs are components of an ecosystem that cannot make their own food. However, it regenerates and ultimately breaks down the complex organic matter built up by autotrophs. The composer have a role to decompose organic material derived from organisms that have died. This abiotic component is a component in the form of inanimate creatures. Most of these components vary in time and space. Factors affecting these abiotic components: soil and rock, because the physical structure and mineral composition limit the spread of organism based on the content of the food source. Um, Next, climate is the weather condition over a long period of time in area. Climates macro includes global climates, regional and local. Temperature can affect biological process. Mammals and poultry, it requires energy to regulate the temperature in its body. Water can affect the distribution of organisms. Organisms that exist in the desert adapt to the availability of water. Sunlight, the quality of sunlight can affect the photosynthesis process. A large light intensity can increase the temperatures. Okay, as for the reason, I choose this book about ecosystem because this ecosystem is very much related to real life. It also discusses the environment, life in nature, so that we get to know and understand more about this environment. In addition, ecosystem and their preservation are very important to learn because our ecosystems are thought to have a reciprocal relationship with the environment. Besides this, that is useful as a reference in preserver, preserving the environment. Okay, uh, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.